Yes, hello, welcome. I'm Clancy's example, as you have seen. This is the rent flow. It's I call it the rent flow because it is like it shows like it simplifies the business strategy in form of rent, a collection of rent. Uh, Here, this is like a rent management system, but it is a basic rent management system. It is a basic rent management system. Why I call it basic is this one here is just like it has simple operations. This system is just going to enable that the owner of those rentals or the owner of those apartments he just logs in and he is able to manage them by himself, one person. So it will just have one user role just for only that person who is managing those rentals or those apartments or properties. So this rent management system has, for example, property management. As you see here, property management. Organize and manage multiple properties with detailed unit tracking and comprehensive property profiles. This system here also does tenant tracking. For example, you see those tenants, for example, when there are very many, sometimes you sometimes putting them on piece of papers, it becomes very inconveniencing. So here you keep the detailed tenants records, the contact information, and the rental history all in a centralized location. Okay, so this is payment processing. You can even have, like, for example, like a PDF or an Excel sheet of each and every payment, a particular tenant, or for a particular period of time. You can press it back and you get it. So this one will enable the track of rent payments, due dates, and generate comprehensive financial reports with ease. So the analytics, it has here even analytics and reports. You can even generate a profit statement. You can generate even the payment statement. The payment statement will have like a QR code, like to scan. You can even see whether it's really verifiable. All of this you can get it within this system. So this is the analytics and the reports, as you see here. So here is it is secure and reliable. Your data is protected with an enterprise of great security and automatic backups for peace of mind. This system here is secure because here, as you can see here, it has a login because nobody is authorized to log in without your permission. Someone cannot log in here when he doesn't have your email or your password. He can't pass through here. So it's very secure. Once you log in, you are able to access your information, you as the landlord. So here, this system here has real-time updates. You see this data in real time. You see this data in real time. Even if I log out here and I go, for example, to a cafe, or I go somewhere else, like anywhere on someone's phone, I can still access this system. I am able to access this system, this whole data, from everywhere it is. Anywhere on each and every phone I find, I can access this data. So this is the basic rent management system. It is the basic rent management system. Of course, the Pro is coming. The Pro is the advanced one. The Pro, I will talk about it, but let me just talk about it in brief. The Pro has multiple roles. It has the role of the super admin, it has the role of the admin himself, it has the role of these users here, normal users. All of them will have accounts and they will pay through the system. But this one here is a basic rent management system. It just has only one user role. The user role is only and only for that person, who manages those places, the apartments, the rentals. They're not very many. If someone who now I would ask a question: what qualifies a person to take a basic one, or what qualifies someone to take a pro version? The basic one, automatically, the basic one is for someone who has few, like someone has like 6 only, and they are small, they are like two rooms each. Someone has like 6, like 4, like I mean I want them to be orderly, like when they're organized, like they are like 6, but they're not very many. So that one will just take like this basic one. But the pro one is for someone who has very big and very large rentals. Yeah, someone has like very large rentals, each with about like 30 shops inside, and one side that is really organized. Someone he has like 5 of them, but they have 30 shops inside each. So he wants that is really organized. So this one that person will have the pro, will take the pro. But this one for this time round, this one is for the basic one. Yeah. We are going to, I'm going to show you how I came up. Just a quick demo about how I was coding. I was coding this in React.js and Next.js. That's the major tech stacks that I use when I'm building these systems. So this is how it is. The user interface is here. I'm going to show you how I came up with this. I'm going to be taking you through a series of how I'm going to build this up to the end, up to the very end. I'm going to start with this page. This is the welcome page. I'm going to show you how I built it up to here. Then we keep going. All right.
Yes, as you can see, we are now adding the shared scene for the input. We have the input. You see those small areas. We have the input. We have here label. We have here tabs. They are here. This is the one for the input. You can see it. This one here. This area we are having. We also have this area here for the one for the label. We also have this area here, one for the tabs. You can see it. I also add here tabs. You can see here on my terminal here. I'm adding also tabs. Then we have here dialogue. I'm also adding one for the dialogue. You can see there dialogue. We also have one for the select. Also select. Okay. Now waiting for it. See those small tabs. For example, you're going to see the form you're going to build. A certain form we are building, we're working on. You want to see. This is the React for toast. This one here. This toast here is going to guide us. It makes the thing nice in a way that when you have, for example, like a success, like if the sun that is created, it is successful. It shows this is successful. If we have something, for example, if it has failed, it will post that this one has failed. Okay, you can see it has added them. They're here. The input, the label, the tabs, they're all added. So I think those were some of the errors we are having here. We are getting there. Yeah, as you can see. Yeah, okay. The errors are gone now. You can see. So these are the author dialog props. You can see them. We have already written some of this code here. One for the email, you can see it's here. One for the password, it's here. The password and the email, they are there. Also the sign up form, we also created it. It's here. The interface is there, where the sign up form has the name, the email, the password, the confirm password. The security question is also there. The security answer is there. We have put it all together into one. Now the forgot password form is also there. For example, we have the email, it's here, the security question is there, the security answer, the confirm password, all of it is here. So here, for example, you can see I have broken it down into the front end. I'm also going to put the back end view of it. As you can see, the welcome page is there. I have broken it here. Also, when you come here on the normal page, it's there. I have used the use effect. I've used the use effect browser push to the welcome page. Okay, so we are going to now see how our UI looks like. I have done all this so far. It's right now it's good. Okay, DM Dave. going to push us to the local host as you see how it's working out right now. Okay, I can even copy this. Yeah, take to my browser here. Compiling. As you can see here, it's compiling. Yes, this is the we are now working on the first interface for the rent management system. This system we first have the welcome page. As you can see, it's here. The welcome page is here. So when I click on this welcome page, let me go to the components here. The welcome page is there. Start it again. Let me close these terminals. Okay, I reopen the terminal again afresh. It's going to load here. Okay, it's here. So let me divide the terminal into two. Right now, PM, not NPM, PM, dev. Okay, it's there. Waiting for it to compile. Last time we faced the sudden compilation error we had there. It was very small. That small compilation error we have. It's coming. Okay. At the moment, I can have here, for example, add here my global.css here, which I worked on previously. Come here. Okay, right now you can see this is the first page of our whole rent management system. You can see, yes, I have compiled it very well. It's now working. Okay, everything I've done here, you can see the welcome page is here. I have routed it. Let me first explain to you how I've done this, and you see, of course, the very first page is here. As you can see, the very first page is here. What I did, I used the use effect. I router.push the welcome page. You can see it's here. Then I come here on the welcome page. Of course, I put a page group of front end there, the page group. Because the back end is coming, there's a page of what? Of the front end. It's there. So I come, I create the welcome page. It's here. You can see it's there. The welcome page, of course, this one I use it as a route to the components. When you see here the components, it's here. Pages, welcome page is here. Welcome page from components, pages, welcome page. You can see it's there. So when I come here on the welcome page, it's here. You can see it's here. All of it is here. Okay, this is it. How it looks like. rent management, as you can see, manage properties, tenants, get started today. Okay, you can also see it here. The login, everything that we have worked on is here, as you can see. Okay, wow, this is great.
Please subscribe as we go to next episode.